your girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss home repair assistance. That's right, free money for low-income families to upgrade their homes, as well as you may even qualify for a brand new home and a whole lot more. So if you want to know what's going on in this cash for your house, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love this content. Now, if you do not have Amazon Prime, you can try it out free for 30 days by clicking the link in the cards or down in the description box. Now, guys, I read a lot of your comments, and a lot of you I reply back to you, especially those that are on fixed incomes who cannot even afford to make those minor repairs to the homes. And a lot of times these repairs help keep you in your home, make sure that you're safe and livable, just to ensure that you have quality of life. So I wanted to find some programs because I think one of my subscribers had reached out and asked about this. Now, if I don't mention your state, you can always check with HUD or the Housing Urban Development. They always have Habitat for Humanity. The USDA has different options as well. What I'm saying is all states have some options. If you are a senior, you can go to like an aging center. You can, of course, dial 211. You can get on Google. There's options out here for everyone. All right, so let's go ahead and kick things off in Texas because everyone always say, there's nothing in Texas. All right, and make sure you drop your state down below as well. So that way, when I'm on the lookout, if I find something, I'll mention it in the next video, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move on to Texas. All right, guys, so Central Texas cities, that's right, plural, cities, more than one, are receiving a home program assistance for low-income rebuilds as well. So Waco is among the number of Central Texas cities that are participating in the state's Home Investment Partnership Program, where residents that are in newly constructed homes for free, they are giving away like a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully funded through grants. And it also provides like those that want like a mobile home build as well that will be paid through this same grant funding pool. Now, part of this grant, participants do have to show that you are in low or to moderate income range. So that's sitting between like just say 30 and 80% benchmark of your area median family incomes. You have to live within the city limits as well that are offering that home program. And the city has to be offering the home program in order for you to apply. So the cities that are offering this home program throughout Texas include Bryan, College Station, Killeen, and Waco as well. So you can apply for a free home. The home not only comes like free built, but it also comes with appliances, blinds, and ready to move in the day that you are giving your key as well. Now, the homeowners are provided 1 year of insurance as well for the newly built home, but that's what we have going on. So that's more than one city in Texas. In Florida, they're not giving away a free home, but they do have a home repair grant for $75,000 with a forgivable loan. So to help locals stay in their homes and their property, Clearwater, Florida has revised its state funding home repair program by increasing financial help for $75,000 for critical needs like your roof, your window, your AC replacements. So homeowners who make up to $53,000 a year as an individual, $76,000 for a family of 4, you can apply for this grant. Now, they have it in St. Petersburg, in Clearwater, as well as Largo. They have similar loan forgiveness programs for home repairs as well. Tampa Bay and the counties and cities offer these programs as well to low and moderate homeowners to make those critical repairs as well. But some of the things that you can get repaired is like your roof, electrical upgrades, wheelchair ramps, tub conversions as well. So they said more than $1 million of federal grant money is currently making its way to Florida as well. So guys, this is definitely something you want to look into. It's in a lot of cities in Florida, a lot of cities in Texas, and Texas is giving out a free home. But the forgivable loan is like you take out the loan, and after so many years, certain portions. So if you take out like the full $75,000, maybe like $10,000 is forgiven each year. You can't sell the home, you can't move the home. You don't need the full amount either, right? You could just take out what you need. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to Alabama because, yes, we have something in Alabama. All right, guys, so in Alabama, we have some of that same grant funding money as well. You would have to go to a community action partnership. I know here in North Alabama, they are giving out like the weatherization assistance program, which will make your home more energy efficient. So some of those measures does include like stripping your windows or even adding like insulation to your attic. But other projects focus on the health and safety of like carbon monoxide detectors, replacing your water heaters as well. So in Alabama, we are going to prioritize like the elderly adults, those with disabilities, and families and children. And many people think that they have to pay money for these programs. Guys, it's no cost. It is no cost to the homeowner or renter as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on to Pennsylvania, where in Bucks County, they might foot the bill if you are eligible. So Bucks County wants to help 100 homeowners this year to help make those needed repairs with their COVID relief funds as well. Now, their eligibility is expanded beyond low-income residents, and pretty much they want to provide low-income qualifying households with repairs that are deemed necessary. So that means like this has to be a repair for your health and safety or even like accessibility. Repairs could include like the weatherization that we're doing here in Alabama, but also general home improvement. So they said the beauty of this program is they have the flexibility that they can repair homes that are owned by both low and moderate income owners. So in Pennsylvania, a family of four can make up to $91,700 and still receive assistance. Now, the assistance will be paid directly to the contractors, or the grant money will, or they have a loan as well. So their applications for Pennsylvania are open right now. It closed on August 15th at midnight. So to apply for the homeowners program, you can go to the application portal. Also in Pennsylvania, they had a program that was in Harrisburg as well. So they had two different programs that I seen. In South Carolina, they have programs for homeowners to get repairs in Richland County. So if you are needing like housing repairs or home improvements and you meet certain eligibility requirements, then you can get help from Richland County to go ahead and make those necessary upgrades as well. Now, this applies for the low and moderate income households as well in Richland County, and you can get help with these critical housing upgrades. The program is called Operation One Touch, and they will give $23,000 to each eligible home as well. So that was in, I think, North Carolina or South Carolina. I said it at the beginning, y'all. It be all going. All right. Next, we are headed to Tennessee because in Memphis, they are helping their seniors with home repairs as well. So Memphis Habitat's Aging in Place program, they opened up today at 9 a.m. and homeowners that are 60 and up, that they can apply for their new round that will focus on like critical repairs and accessibility needs. So they will work with the budget that is needed for your house. So they didn't say how much they will give, but you can call like 901-322-3500, and you have to leave like a message with your name, your phone number. They'll call you back. They only accept like a limited number of applicants as well, due to the huge demand and limited funding on the sources as well. So if you have received any assistance in the past, they're really not prioritizing you right now. All right, next we're going to head over to Ohio, where they have the Uplifting Ohio Community. Now, this is a county community action organization, or PICA, and they want to help individuals in the Circleville, Ohio area, as well as the surrounding area. So they will assist eligible low-income families to help repair or rehabilitate their homes as well. They did not give an amount. I seen where in Arizona, they had where they were doing air conditioning assistance. In California, there was a senior program, but these were some of the programs that I was able to come across and just let you know that these type of things do exist where you can get assistance for your home. You can even get a brand new home. You can get those repairs done as well. So let me know, have you tried out any of these programs? Is there a program that you have used that we can all learn about? Definitely comment down below. And this is it, guys. This is what we have that is going on when it comes to cash for home repairs and home assistance. But remember, like the Biden-Harris administration, they did announce like they were giving out more grants and more funding for affordable housing or to keep people in their homes as well. Check with your community action programs. Check with HUD. Not only should you check with HUD, recommend videos like this if you guys like it. Drop your state down below. But a lot of states are using their COVID relief funding. They're using those pots of money to help people, especially the seniors, the disabled, as well, to stay in those homes as well. So, hey, if you qualify, definitely go ahead and apply, as well as I know in Philly, they had a program as well. I think they had a home repair program that they announced a few weeks ago, and it might be a few other places that I'm missing, but let me know if you're going to apply. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, grab you some Amazon Prime, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys. You like the new hairstyle? I had to do something. You guys know I changed my hair like the wind. So, hey, let me know down in the comments about that below as well.